suspect murder.
We suspect murder.
We suspect murder.
Zindabad.
Father Bismark Zindabad.
Zindabad. Zindabad.
Father Bismark
Zindabad. Zindabad. Zindabad.
Father Bismark Zindabad.
Zindabad. Zindabad.
Chan Kesik with the very kind IGP I have been pursuing, who has been giving me full cooperation on the case, okay, and from 7th November everything that I have got regarding the case I have sent the IGP, okay, and I have been in touch with the crime branch also. Inspector Veluskar and all will give full justice to that. We were there also. The family also has been with us. Inspector Veluskar has told, the family told Inspector Veluskar only Hema is on that case from 7th November. So, if, sir, 20 days.
So we suspect
20
murder.
days झाले सर. माझ्या फ्रेंडाक त्याने गोंया खातीर खूप केला सर.
He was our friend, sir, and he was with us in saving Goa all the time.
चूक झाल्या सर.
We
चूक
got all
झाल्या.
these inputs.
Yeah, no, there is something wrong here still.
Listen, since you have no faith in the local police, you demanded crime branch inquiry. It is given to the crime branch.
But it is not. सर एक सांगता तुका वाईट टर्न नाका तू खरें ते सांगता. सुसाइड केस रजिस्टर केल्या 7 नोव्हेंबराक काय कितें. हांव जाणा सर आणि मर्डर केस we are demanding murder case to be registered.
Sir, we are saying it is a murder. Sir, we are saying it is a murder, and we want you all to look into that.
Yes, we will look into that. We have kept the case open right from the beginning. Lawyer is here. What we have done is an inquest proceeding. So, as per the investigation, it could be homicidal, it could be suicidal, it could be accidental. He is a lawyer. See, inquest
Suspect
proceeding.
has not been taken into custody till now.
Why
This is the
two
problem.
suspects are not
Why they are not taken into custody?
Those
Custody
boys
act
were
is
released.
not. We demand life detention test for these
We have raised the point. So let me speak.
Yes.
Inquest proceeding includes accidental, suicidal, homicidal. So right now case is under investigation. It is open for all. Whosoever have any clue, you have to give to them.
Sir, day 1 7 नोव्हेंबराच्यान clue.
Goa police has taken up this investigation by crime branch professionally. We have sent the visras and whatever the chemical report we have sent to FSL, and our SP crime they are pursuing with the FSL Hyderabad to get the result as soon as possible. So once the report comes to us, then only it will be analyzed, and as per law action will be taken. Not in the hand of police now. It is with the, we are dependent on the FSL report. Okay. So once the FSL report comes, then we will reveal everything openly in front of media and people also, that this is a report and we are going to take action as per this report.